Artsy Bible commentary. Nobody said anything. Nobody saw anything. It'll be all right. Um, so way down here is all the scriptures where Psalm 110 is used as a reference. So Acts 2, 34 through 36, also Romans 8, 34, also 1 Corinthians 15, 25 through 28, also Ephesians 1, 22, also Colossians 3, 1, also Hebrews 1, verse 13, also Hebrews 4, verses 14, 15, also Hebrews 5, 9 through 10, also Hebrews 6, verse 20, also Hebrews 7, verse 15 through 21, and verse 26, also Hebrews 8, 1, also Hebrews 10, 13, and 21, and 1 Peter 3, verse 22. So there you go. That's all the places. And now I'm going to have to hydrate. That was a lot of reading. So my goal with all those notes is to put in order all the things that I learn and connect them to what verse I learned that piece of knowledge from. And if I keep on doing that, I don't know if it's going to become a commentary. Maybe that's wishful thinking, but it wouldn't hurt to try. So Ronzi, what time is your stream, may I ask? I'm gonna have to edit out that doxing myself. Did it to myself, I say. No, that's not what I was like. It has to be a little bit more dramatic. The more you stream, the more you're going to say things you don't want to say on stream. Okay, so this should be darker on this side. Alright, what else is happening today? What else is so special about today? Not only is it Tuesday, December 12th, 2023, not only is it Health Coverage Day, it is also Day of Neutrality. I'm not going to tell you how I feel about that. I'm going to stay perfectly neutral in honor of the Day of Neutrality. And I'm going to go make sure that I have healthcare. And I'm going to go make sure that I use this healthcare that I have. The key is not just having the healthcare. The key is using the healthcare that you have.